Welcome to Ex-Automation. This video shows my real consumer case journey, step by step, with actual documents. From filing a consumer complaint to ex-parte order, execution, police follow-up, and finally receiving the amount with compensation. This is not theory. This is real legal process with proof. Step 1. Filing the consumer complaint. I filed my consumer complaint before the Honorable Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. This is the original complaint petition filed by me. Once the complaint is filed, the court issues notice to the respondent. Step 2. Written arguments filed. The respondent received court notice but did not appear and did not file any counter. Because of this, the Honorable Court directed me to file written arguments. Accordingly, I filed my written arguments petition. Step 3. Ex-parte order. Even after filing written arguments, the respondent still did not appear before the court. Since there was no counter and no appearance, the Honorable Court proceeded ex-parte. This is the ex-parte order passed in my favor. Step 4. Execution petition. After receiving the order, I waited for 45 days. Even after receiving the court order, the respondent did not comply. A court order alone does not give money. So I filed an execution petition along with an affidavit to enforce the order. Step 5. Batta memo and warrant process. Even after execution notice, there was no response from the respondent. So I filed a Batta memo. Based on this, the Hobiali court issued a warrant. To ensure quick enforcement, I personally followed up by visiting the Commissioner of Police office for warrant execution. Step 6. Final compliance. After the warrant follow-up, the respondent appeared before the authority. The respondent complied with the court order and issued a demand draft for the ordered amount along with compensation. After compliance, the case was dismissed as satisfied. This case clearly shows that the legal process works, but only if you follow every step till the end. If you want real legal knowledge with real documents and real results, subscribe to Ex-Automation.